Have you ever reached for your car remote, key fob, or glucose monitor only to find that it suddenly stopped working right when you needed it most? That frustrating little moment often comes down to something as simple as a tiny coin battery losing power, and that's exactly where the Duracell CR2025 3V lithium battery steps in to save the day. This small but incredibly powerful coin cell from Duracell proves that big things truly can come in small packages. Designed for reliability, durability, and safety, this battery is built to deliver consistent, long-lasting power for your essential everyday devices, whether it's your car key fob, remote control, medical device, heart rate monitor, or fitness tracker. When you think about it, batteries like these often power some of the most important gadgets in our lives, yet we rarely think about them until they stop working. Duracell, a brand trusted for generations, takes that worry off your mind by creating a lithium coin battery that you can truly rely on. The Duracell CR2025 3V lithium battery is part of their advanced lithium coin line, and each battery is engineered to provide dependable performance for up to 10 years in storage. That means even if you buy a pack today and only use one, you can count on the second one being ready to perform when you need it years from now. With a strong, stable 3-volt output, it powers your devices efficiently without voltage drops or interruptions, ensuring smooth performance for your most important electronics. One of the biggest advantages of choosing Duracell is their commitment to safety, especially when it comes to homes with children. Every CR2025 battery is designed with a unique bitter coating that has an unpleasant taste, discouraging kids from accidentally swallowing it. Duracell also uses child-secure packaging that requires scissors to open, so little hands can't easily access the batteries. These features may seem small, but they make a big difference in protecting your family while still delivering the quality and reliability Duracell is known for. The CR2025 battery itself is a lithium coin cell that's only about 20 millimeters wide and 2.5 millimeters thick, tiny in size but massive in performance. It's perfect for compact devices that demand consistent energy, and its lithium chemistry ensures higher energy density and a longer lifespan compared to standard alkaline or zinc batteries. Whether you're using it in your car remote, your keyless entry system,